from the day it happened, we have been confident that it was not handled properly. That's the reason I did not come out of the House, because the rules and regulations and the standing orders within the House was not followed. If you can recall, going back to your footage, the Prime Minister Musa and myself were in conversation during that time. And as the senior part leader on our side, he had told me that the rules and regulations were not being followed, and he had stated it and showed me the standing orders. So we were confident from that time. When we took the claim to court, government's defense, and only defense, was that the judiciary did not have any authority to make decisions over Parliament and the legislature, meaning the Speaker's decision was final and the judges had no ability to change that. And so that was their only defense. And so the Chief Justice at the time decided that he wouldn't hear the claim because of that specific issue. Again, we did not agree, and so we went to the second level, which was the appeals court. And basically the appeals court struck down that based on all the evidence that our senior attorney, Marshall-Ek, had provided. And that's why I insist that precedence is important to be set. There is precedence in the Commonwealth that it can be heard. You have to understand that my rights as a Belizean citizen and as a sitting parliamentarian was affected in the House, one. And two, my constitutional rights was also affected. And so that was on that basis, the appeals court decided that, one, the judge erred in his decision, and two, that they are giving an order to the Supreme Court to hear the case again. But the only difference this time is that it be presided over by a different judge. They haven't specified which judge. And to us, that's comfortable, because then all we have to do now is resubmit our claim, and then government has to now come up with a different defense. And I don't know what defense they will come up with, because it is quite clear that the procedure was not followed. There was no vote in the House, and that has to be done.